Hi, and welcome to Window Cleaning Dude. In today's episode, we're going to talk about adding pressure washing to your business. So as a new window cleaner, beginning window cleaner, sometimes people ask questions about, hey, what kind of other services can I add to my window cleaning business? You know, I want to do window cleaning, but I'd also like to have some other services as maybe a fallback or just an additional service to help bring additional income in quickly right away as I'm building up my window cleaning service. Or maybe you've been doing window cleaning for a while and you're just looking for other options. Well, pressure washing is something that some window cleaners do in addition that is kind of related in a way. I mean, you're cleaning with water like you do with windows. And a lot of times people who want pressure washing done, they not only want you to pressure wash their driveway, but some people like to have their entire house washed off. And as a window cleaner, a lot of times a window cleaner will then come and clean the windows after someone has pressure washed the house. So, you know, you could be the one-stop service, right? You can say, hey, I can wash your house, and then afterwards I will wash your windows. So they kind of go hand in hand in that sense, and so it makes sense that window cleaners like to add pressure washing to their lineup. Now, there are some obvious concerns with pressure washing that you need to be aware of, which is that, you know, if you don't know how to use the pressure washing equipment, it is possible to actually damage the customers' homes, their windows, their driveways by having the pressure too high. So you really need to practice with this equipment once you go out and purchase it. And so where to practice would probably be on your own place or on a friend's place, but then you do risk, you know, messing up your own place or a friend's place. I don't think it's going to take you very long to figure out the settings, and I'm sure if you watch some videos on pressure washing in terms of how to do pressure washing, that you'll be able to figure all that out pretty quickly. But this video is primarily just talking about adding it to your service as an add-on service and what you can expect from that. So if you are going to add pressure washing to your window cleaning lineup services, then once again you're going to want to have liability insurance, just from the mere fact that you can in fact mess up the customer's home or driveway, stairs, whatever it is they're going to have you pressure wash. It is possible to mess those things up, and so you want liability insurance to cover you for that, just like you do with window cleaning. Liability insurance is always a good option to have for any of these services, and it's just going to protect you and cover you in case you do mess something up. You don't want to ruin your business by not being insured and covered for any damages that you're going to be held accountable for. Now, I really can't speak too much of it as an authority on pressure washing simply because I've never done pressure washing. I simply just wanted to throw this out there as an option for you because I do know that other window cleaners like to add pressure washing to their lineup. I've obviously seen it taking place. I've cleaned a lot of times where a pressure washer is just finishing up as I show up to clean the windows. And so, you know, a pressure washing machine is not inexpensive. It is going to be a couple grand, I believe, for a quality pressure washer. And so this isn't something that most of you beginning window cleaners are probably going to add to your lineup unless you do have the cash and you're ready to just jump in like you're jumping in with window cleaning, then go for it, you know. So otherwise, you know, save up for your pressure washer and just keep reinvesting your cash flow back into gear for your business, and then of course you'll be able to make that money up pretty quickly. I guess the important thing I wanted to mention here in this video was that if you do decide to do pressure washing, just know that you always want to do the pressure washing before you do the window cleaning. There's been times where I have gone to a customer's home and I'm cleaning their windows and they're like, I'm so excited, my pressure washer is coming tomorrow to clean the house. And I'm just thinking, well, there goes the new windows I just cleaned for you. You know, that's gone, because pressure washer typically isn't using deionized water. And they're just using water straight out the tap, coming out the spigot. So that means if they have hard water in their area and they go to pressure wash the windows, then they're going to have all kinds of hard water spotting on the glass, and then they'll be calling you back to clean the windows again. So if you are going to be adding pressure washing, always do the pressure washing first. So oftentimes people who do choose to do window cleaning and pressure washing might find their business actually being split in two, because there is a good demand for both window cleaning and pressure washing, and so, which isn't necessarily a bad thing to be divided into like that. I mean, if it's meeting your income needs and you're making the hourly wage you want to be making, and you find that both are just kind of 50-50, they kind of bringing in the same amount of money, you might be in an area where you live where that's the best option for having a successful business, making the kind of money you want to make. Or you might even find that the pressure washing is starting to make more money and take over your window cleaning, then at that point you might want to switch over to pressure washing. So that pretty much is it for this video. Not too much information in this video. The main point of this video is just to introduce you to another possibility of an add-on service to your window cleaning business. Please give me the thumbs up if you can, and please go ahead and hit that subscribe button to be a part of this window cleaning community here on YouTube, and to show YouTube that you value this channel and the information that I'm bringing to you. Also hit the notification bell for any updated videos that will be coming out. And please visit my website, windowcleaningdude.com, where you can get all the information on window cleaning start to finish, how to start your business if you're new to window cleaning, and it will also have tutorials on how to do window cleaning, how to use all the different tools of the trade, where to find the tools of the trade, and also don't forget to comment down below, and I will see you in the next episode.